Why buy beef and broccoli when you can make it at home for half the price? You'll need 500 grams beef inside roast, 454 grams broccoli, 200 grams carrot, 150 grams shallots, 1 inch ginger, 5 cloves garlic, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, cooking wine, sesame seed oil, Chinese 5-spice, white pepper, cornstarch, white sugar, baking soda. Take your beef inside roast and cut it in half. We only need 500 grams. Set the rest aside for another dish. Now, cut your roast in half as we don't want this too thick. Now, cut them into thin strips. We're looking for about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch thick. In a bowl, add in 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons cooking wine, 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon Chinese 5-spice, 1 teaspoon white pepper. Give it a whisk. Now, let's add in our beef strips. Give it a mix with your hand, making sure to massage all of the sauce into it. Let this marinate for a good half hour. Cut off the base of your broccoli. Cut the stalks off. And cut them in half. Now we're just going to remove each floret of broccoli. If they're too big, you can always cut them in half. Set these aside. Now, let's peel and cut 200 grams of carrot. Cut these into medium-sized strips. Now cut them in half and into medium-sized batons. Into a bowl and set them aside. Now let's thinly slice our shallots. Now, give your garlic a crush. And just give it a rough chop. Now, let's peel our ginger. Using a spoon is a good way to get all the skin off. Cut the ginger in half, and we're just going to cut these into thin strips. Now, bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch your broccoli for 30 to 45 seconds. Once you have your broccoli blanched, you can stick it into an ice bath, or if you don't have any ice, just into some extremely cold water. Heat a wok on high heat and add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a swirl around. And we're going to add in about half of our marinated beef strips. We're going to make this in 2 batches. Let them get a good little sear. Add in about half of the ginger. Add in your shallots. Now some garlic. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Now, add in about 100 grams of carrots. And let's give these a quick toss. Add in 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. One tablespoon light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. About 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Mix everything together. Add in a 1/4 cup of water. If you want extra sauce, you can always go with a 1/2 cup. Now, let's add in 2 tablespoons of a cornstarch slurry. Now, add in about half of our broccoli. And give it a toss until it's fully coated. Now, place it onto a serving plate. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know down below. Or if you're looking for another Chinese recipe, Try one of these two right here. And as always, thanks for watching.